Hey, my name's Casey. I'm 22 years old. I love to have fun with my friends, go on road trips, skate, ride bikes, helicopters. I like to ride unicycles. You see, just a normal life. Well, kind of a normal life. In the midst of all that, I was born with a genetic disease known as cystic fibrosis, which affects my lungs and digestive system. So this is me, living with cystic fibrosis. What's up, America? So it is 12:33 and today I will be working on kids church lesson for tomorrow. We're doing Acts chapter 7. We're going to do some Stephen getting stoned and telling the story about Moses and how the Pharisees ignore the Holy Spirit and they get mad and they stone him. And so then he sees Jesus, he asks God to forgive him, and then the gospel is spread like crazy. Like somebody is stoning you to death and you say, God, forgive them. Also going to try to work on the intro for these daily vlogs. So that's what I'm doing today. Did my treatments this morning. I haven't done my pills yet. About to do that. Pomzam. Didn't do albuterol. Let me do that. Yesterday was not a good day for CF in the CF world. I woke up late. I woke up at the time that I had to leave, so I didn't even take a shower. I just put some pants on and left. I was late for work, didn't do any treatments, didn't do any of that stuff, and also I didn't get home till about 12 because I went to this football game in LaPorte, which yesterday's video shows that we were skating in the parking lot, all that kind of stuff. Didn't get home till about 12. So whenever I got home, I didn't do any treatments. Now, what I'm doing is setting up for the kids' church video. I got to pull the audio files, print out the script, do the animations, sync it all up, and it should be done by 4 o'clock. It is now 1:21. Hopefully sometime today I will be able to get a shower. I did my albuterol treatment. Now I'm about to get my pills done. Flow vent. I did flow vent. Somebody just texted me. Where's my phone? I heard it. But yeah, I'll check in with you in a little bit and let you know the progress of such and such. Deuces. Okay, I'm done with the audio portion of the video. Now I'm gonna get started on, just gotta do my Flonase. I just got something to eat. I ate ramen noodles with some chicken, probably about 1,000 calories. Now I'm about to get a shower and get ready for church. Alright, so I'm at the church right now. About to start vacuuming the sanctuary. Getting it done, man. I'm excited. Miss Betty, say hi to the camera.
Hi to the camera.
She's about to sweep. She's a lean, mean sweeping machine. Right there. And she's married to a guy named Gene. Literally. What's up, Miss Cynthia? Say hi to the camera. Hi. It's nursery cleaning team right here. She's getting it done, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. My man Keith. Keith, say hi to the camera.
What's up there, KK? Beware.
What's up? He's a lean, mean vacuuming machine right here. I'm about to sneeze.
Jump rope too.
False alarm. False alarm. I'm gonna get back to vacuuming the sanctuary now. Alright, so as you can see, we're all working together and we are cleaning this church house. So the next thing that I'm gonna do whenever I get done with this is head home and work on that cartoon video. I feel good, lungs feel good. Whenever I do my albuterol treatment, I have like a burst of energy. And so put in the comments below if that's happened to you or if that's normal. Let me know. That's awesome. So see you in a little bit. Okay. Burst of energy gone. I am super tired. We didn't get done cleaning till about 8. Didn't get home till about 8:30. Oh, it is 8:58. About to sneeze. false alarm. Apparently the antidote for sneezing is to say, I'm about to sneeze. Yeah, so I'm about to get started on that, the animation part of the video. And then I'm going to, well, while I'm doing that, I'm going to be doing my treatments, take my second set of peels. Then I'm going to go to bed and get some sleep. Probably wake up in the morning and finish the animation. Hopefully by the time church starts, I'll be done. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow.